today. If you dream of the day when everything will satisfy all of your needs, when a team of engineers is busy researching the best solutions for you, if you dream of perfect design, a simple setup without compromising on performance, if you wish for everything to be within reach, with maximum precision and impressive power together, and want to be free to process large surfaces, that day is here, now. The new Morbidelli CNC machining centers, exactly what you have always dreamed of, in one single machining center. The new Morbidelli CNC machining centers, the affordable all-in-one technology.